This Geosiry 4-gauge battery cable set uses fully annealed oxygen-free copper, so voltage drop is low and cranking power stays strong even on demanding setups. The fine stranded construction and flexible welding grade design make the 15-foot red and 15-foot black runs easy to route through tight engine bays or along frames without fighting stiff wire. Its thick EPDM jacket shrugs off heat, abrasion, moisture, and oil, which is exactly what you want for long-term reliability in automotive, marine, and outdoor installations. The cable is rated for high-voltage direct current use and handles harsh temperature extremes, so it is well suited for solar arrays, inverters, and high-draw battery banks. Fire-resistant polyolefin materials and solvent-resistant insulation add an extra margin of safety when the cable is exposed to fuel, chemicals, or under-hood hotspots. Overall, this set offers the kind of heavy-duty build and consistent conductivity that enthusiasts and do-it-yourself installers look for when upgrading stock battery wiring.